What is up, guys? This is Robles Jr. bringing you a new headset unboxing made by HUHD, provided by THZY Warm Electronics LLC. Just want to give a big thanks to Achao for giving me this opportunity to do a review and unboxing of their awesome headset. You can check out their store in the link below, and you can also check out their Amazon store. So yes, this is the Optical Connect gaming headset, suitable for Xbox One, PS4, Xbox 360, PS3, PC, and Mac. So it has a Hear Chat in real time overlaid with stereo game sounds, rich detailed HD audio, advanced noise reduction, and multi-system compatible. So this is the HO-939MV model. Really like the box. It's a very nice, economical box. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. I'm very excited to get this going. There's nothing in the box there. Here is the manual. It's pretty basic. Just shows you how to connect the device to your console or to your PC. Here is the one of the cords. Alright, so this is the main connection for the headset. Got your micro USB optical and your 10-pin connection. So right off the bat, this headset feels very nice. It has a very nice flat black, smooth surface. Feels really nice, and the cushions are also nice. I like that black and red look. Then they have this like kind of shiny black finish to the center where the logo. This is where you would connect the mic. In the inside, you'll have this nice chrome plate here. And you have the nice red padding for over the head. Then on the inside, you have these nice earmuffs. So let's take the cords out of the bag. So here's the small micro USB connection. Here is the mic adapter. So I really like this headset because you can actually use this as a normal MP3 headset, and you can also use it for gaming or for Skype. So I think that is a pretty cool design, how you can just disconnect the microphone. And this is a very unique microphone. It's rubberized in the center, but it's plastic at the end. It doesn't move much. It would be a lot nicer if it was more more flexible. But it looks like it just has a little bit of curve to it. So here's your headset control. You have your chat and game volume. Pretty basic stuff. Then you have your mute mic on switch. So you have a pretty basic headset. This headset is available for $55 on the Amazon store. You can check the link out in the description below. So I'm very excited, can't wait to start using this. And once again, I just want to thank THZY Warm Electronics LLC for providing this awesome headset. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, it would help me out a lot. And you are more than welcome to stay on the channel by subscribing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.